Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Drunk Elephant C Firma Fresh Day Serum. First, you'll need to activate your serum. Pour the liquid base into the powder vial, then screw on the pump. Shake the bottle for about 60 seconds until the powder completely dissolves. Once mixed, your serum is ready for use. Apply one pump to your clean, dry face, neck, and chest every morning to start your day with a boost. Drunk Elephant C Firma Fresh Day Serum is packed with powerful ingredients. It contains 15% L-ascorbic acid, a potent form of vitamin C, known for its brightening effects. You'll also find 1% vitamin E and 0.5% ferulic acid, which work together to enhance stability and provide robust antioxidant protection. This blend helps to visibly firm your skin and defend against daily environmental stressors. One of the best ways to use C Firma is by creating a skincare smoothie. Simply dispense one pump of C Firma into your palm, along with other compatible Drunk Elephant serums or moisturizers. Mix them gently and apply to your face, neck, and chest. Remember, vitamin C works best when followed by a broad-spectrum sunscreen to maximize its protective benefits throughout the day. To ensure your C Firma Fresh Day Serum remains effective, proper storage is key. Once you've mixed the two components, the serum will stay fresh for approximately 6 months. Keep the bottle in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight. The innovative airless pump system is designed to minimize exposure to air, helping to maintain the serum's potency and prevent premature oxidation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.